10 health myth and facts you didn't know about. 1. Natural medicine is always safe. Natural doesn't always mean safe. Herbal products can interact with medications, cause liver toxicity, and affect blood pressure. Nature can heal and harm. Always respect the dose. 2. Skipping meals helps weight loss. Skipping meals can slow fat loss. Skipping meals can trigger hormonal stress, slow metabolism, and increase binge eating later. Sustainable weight loss needs balance. 3. Energy drinks give real energy. Energy drinks don't give energy, they borrow it. They spike caffeine and sugar, overstimulating the nervous system. This leads to heart palpitations, anxiety, and crashes afterward. 4. Cracking knuckles causes arthritis. Cracking your knuckles won't give you arthritis. The popping sound comes from gas bubbles collapsing in joint fluid. Studies show no direct link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. 5. Detox teas cleanse your body. Your body doesn't need detox tea. Your liver and kidneys already remove toxins 24/7. Detox teas mostly cause water loss and can lead to dehydration or electrolyte imbalance. Your body is the detox machine. 6. Alcohol helps you sleep better. Alcohol knocks you out, but ruins your sleep. Alcohol suppresses REM sleep, leading to poor sleep quality, night awakenings, and next-day fatigue. Falling asleep faster doesn't mean sleeping better. 7. Painkillers are safe to use every day. Daily painkillers may be silently damaging your organs. Frequent use of painkillers like paracetamol or NSAIDs can cause liver damage, kidney injury, and stomach bleeding. Over-the-counter does not mean risk-free. Safe use matters. 8. More vitamins mean better health. Too many vitamins can actually harm you. Fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K build up in the body. Excess intake can damage the liver, kidneys, and nervous system. More is not always better. Food first. Supplements only when needed. 9. Antibiotics cure colds and flu. Antibiotics won't fix your cold, and here's why. Colds and flu are caused by viruses, not bacteria. Antibiotics only kill bacteria. Using them when you don't need them increases antibiotic resistance, making real infections harder to treat. 10. You can sweat out alcohol. Sweating won't sober you up. Only the liver metabolizes alcohol. Saunas, exercise, or sweating don't speed this up. They only increase dehydration. Many health myths sound harmless, but small misunderstandings can lead to big health problems. The truth is, your body runs on biology, not trends or assumptions. Knowing what's fact and what's myth helps you use medicine safely, protect your organs, and make better everyday health decisions. Subscribe for more educational and simple health facts.